Struggling to burn that stubborn belly fat, I completely understand how challenging it can be. Let me share my personal journey with you and how I achieved incredible results with a straightforward daily routine. I survived the frustration of trying countless diets and workout plans that just didn't deliver. It was disheartening, but I refused to let those setbacks stop me from finding a solution that worked. I spent weeks researching and testing different exercises until I found a routine that genuinely helped me target and burn belly fat. My daily routine consisted of high knees. This exercise got my heart pumping and helped burn calories efficiently. I did 30 seconds of high knees to kickstart my metabolism. Plank variations from standard planks to side planks. These moves engaged my core and helped sculpt my abs. I held each plank for 1 minute. Bicycle crunch is a fantastic exercise for targeting the obliques and lower abs. I performed 3 sets of 15 reps on each side. Flutter kicks lying on my back. I kicked my legs up and down to focus on the lower abdominal muscles. I did 3 sets of 20 kicks. I saved time and energy by incorporating these exercises into my daily routine at home. Each workout took just 15–20 minutes, making it easy to stay consistent even with a busy schedule. This simple approach helped me avoid the hassle of gym memberships and lengthy workout sessions. I built more than just a fit body. Sticking to this routine daily helped me develop a stronger mindset and increased my overall well-being. I noticed significant changes in my body and energy levels, which motivated me to keep pushing forward. I got impressive results that boosted my confidence and transformed my health. My belly fat reduced noticeably, and my overall body felt leaner and more toned. The positive changes went beyond the physical. I felt more energized, focused, and motivated in all areas of my life. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Motivational tip: to keep track of your progress, use a fitness tracker. The fitness tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Starting a new routine can be challenging, but with dedication and the right exercises, you can achieve amazing results. Stick with these healthy routines daily and watch as your body transforms. Believe in yourself and embrace the journey to a healthier, fitter you.